Why did you choose पैसा over प्यार? See, this is an interesting question. Guys, मैंने एक चीज realize की, मैंने कहा कि I'm going in for Splitsvilla, and obviously when they ask you a question like पैसा या प्यार, and it's the first day, इसका मतलब ये तो समझ आता है कि दोनों चूज करने में आपको कोई पॉजिटिव और कुछ नेगेटिव्स होंगे, राइट? सो आई वॉकड इन एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं एक शो करने आया हूँ, मैंने सारा टैलेंट देख लिया, कैसे कैसे लोग आए हैं. आई जस्ट पिक पैसा बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मेरे को एक महीने की शूटिंग के अंदर कोई लाइक प्यार हो जाएगा. दैट वाज जस्ट सो लाइक रैंडम टू मी, सो लाइक पैसा. That's why I chose पैसा. But hey, it turned out good. विशु के सारे स्प्लिट कॉइंस खत्म हो गए थे, as you guys saw. Who do you think was a real couple, or at least a couple who genuinely liked each other and wasn't only for the show in your villa? How do I say this? I think out of the couples, Ron and Asmita were still real. I think they are real as we're seeing them now as well. I think they do genuinely enjoyed each other's company. But हाँ ये होता है जब लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मैं तो प्यार में हूँ, I'm in love with you within 3 days. You're not. No one is in love within 3 days. अगर आप तीसरे चौथे दिन बाहर आ जाओगे तो आपको समझ आएगा कि never mind. That's not real life. This is real life. But I think Mohit, I think he has really real feelings for Anushka. So I think एक बंदा अगर मैं name करूँगा, I would say it's Mohit. Why were Gullu and gang so against Niharika, and also why Ron? Because he seems so unproblematic. Mohit too. Why was he targeted in the tag? Guys, यही मैं बोल के भी आया हूँ. विला में एक बहुत dirty game चल रहा था, और dirty game ये चल रहा था कि हम face पे ऐसे देखेंगे, but हम पीछे से ये करेंगे. जो मोहित की बात हुई है ना कि मोहित figured out कि Ayush was attacking him. I'm the one who told Mohit that, but वो part ही नहीं आया शो में. मैं क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे जो टास्क हो रहा था उसमें everyone was standing and I believe it was Ayush, then me, then Mohit. तो क्या हुआ था, विशु आयुष के तरफ था, तो जब मैं इधर था पीछे था, we were just going in कि और मतलब कि कोई और जा रहा था, कोई और 2 girls जा रही थी वहां पे. तो आयुष ने ना विशु की तरफ देखा, कहता अब किसको उड़ाऊं, क्या करना है. मैंने ये सोचा, मैंने कहा आयुष उसकी अलायंस में, how is this possible? I thought Ayush was with Diptanshu, and Diptanshu and Ayush are good friends, and Diptanshu is in our alliance. Like, what is happening? But for many years, it's probably because Preet was in their alliance. So basically, Ayush looked at Vishu, and Vishu को कहता किसको उड़ाऊं, तो Vishu ने ऐसा देखा मेरी तरफ, तो मेरे को लगा मेरे लिए बोल रहा है, right? I was like, oh, that's weird. But then फिर कहता मोहित, कहता मोहित की उड़ा दूं, आयुष कहता मोहित की उड़ा दूं, कहता हाँ उड़ा दे. This is what happened. That is why मोहित ने realize नहीं किया था. फिर मैंने जाके मोहित को बोला, मैंने कहा मोहित बाय द वे, लाइक तेरे पे चढ़ रहे हैं यार, ये तेरी उड़ाने का इनका पूरा प्लान था. और 2-3 बॉल्स मोहित के पड़े भी हैं, वो लकीली मोहित के बॉक्सेस नहीं गिरे, मे बी वाज अ विंड, मे बी वाज व्हाटएवर, बट 2-3 बॉल्स हिट हुई हैं मोहित के, उसमें बॉक्सेस नहीं उड़े उसके. तो तब मैंने मोहित को बताया, मोहित ने अनुष्का को बताया, एंड यू सॉ ऑल दैट स्टोरी. फॉर रॉन, आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज रॉन थोड़ा फिजिकली स्ट्रॉगर दिखता है, तो उनको लगा यार रॉन और अस्मिता की हो गई है, एंड अस्मिता वाज स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड अस्मिता इज रियली पेयर्ड अप विद निहारिका हु इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो उनको लगा रॉन को भी उड़ाओ. That's why they were all against Ron. Niharika, because honestly, she's very strong. She's a strong woman, and I think that's why they felt threatened by her. Because honestly, अगर मैं देखूँ ना, strong people, जो strong girls थी हमारे विला में, जिनकी मतलब personality actually में कुछ थी, और जो एक दूसरे के बस पीछे नहीं पड़ी हुई थी, I would say there were like 4, okay, and it was Niharika, Asmita, even Anushka, and also a little bit of Kyra. I think they all had personalities. They were all themselves as well. So I think वो थोड़े intimidating लगा वो पूरे gang को, and that's why they wanted to get rid of Niharika as soon as possible. But obviously that hasn't happened yet. Your favorite host and friend in Pasavilla? Host, I don't know. I don't think I have a favorite host in Pasavilla. I think friend is literally Ron. Ron is a good friend. Mohit is also a good friend. Mohit is one of the sweetest guys, actually. Mohit, Ron, Asmita, Niharika, I think they're all good friends. Next question. Did people have an off-camera and on-camera personality, and who? Yes. This is what I've been trying to say. Reality shows में आपको जो एक चीज दिखती है, that is not a full person. People change in front of cameras. ये मेरे को नहीं बात बताती. See, this is why I think these 24 hours जो filming वाले होते हैं ना, shows like Big Boss and all that, maybe they actually get the real personality out of a person, because how long can you truly fake it? A lot of people, I'm not going to name any specific names, but मेरे को लगा सारे लोग ही ऐसे थे. Off camera and on camera personality is different. मतलब 100% थी. Did Gullu actually want to play with Anushka? See, I don't know about this because I wasn't present for that conversation. But even Anushka, मतलब ये जो अनुष्का ने बॉम्ब ड्रॉप किया था ना डोम ने, आई थिंक ये पहले उसने मेरे को थोड़ा बता दिया था. So we kind of knew कि मतलब we knew कि Mohit and Anushka are gonna flip because this was already a planning that we had already done prior to going into the power chamber. But मेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि ये bomb एकदम ऐसे drop कर देगी अनुष्का. So I'm not 100% sure if this happened. जितनी मेरी अनुष्का से बात हुई है वो भी उसमें है कि हाँ गुल्लू ने उसको बहुत बार अप्रोच किया था. But because I wasn't there, I'm not gonna comment कि अगर उसने अप्रोच किया था कि नहीं किया था. And so far, Gullu भी एक strong player है. We've seen him in roadies, obviously, and we've also seen Anushka now that she's fairly strong. So I don't know. I honestly don't know if this was true or not. Did Kyra, Goresh, and gang have an opinion of their own, or was it like a cult? It was like a cult. You will see. And this is I'm just starting, okay? The season is just starting. Ab swap हुआ है पूरे boys का, and you will still see. Abhi bhi, if you see the swap happened and you just see three guys together talking to the same girls. It's the same bullshit. I'm telling you, it was a cult. It was a cult. It was a cult. मेरे को honestly लगता है कि अगर गुल्लू नहीं होता Splitsvilla में तो इन दोनों की personalities कैसे बाहर आती? I'm not sure. I don't think it would have come out, to be very honest. Were you expecting to be voted out? And if anything was edited from your eviction, let us know. Was I expecting to be voted out? In a way, yes. हमें पता चल गया था कि हम तीनों टारगेट पे हैं. So the target literally was me, Ron, या Tidanshu. मेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि ट्विस्ट आएगा कि आप कनेक्शन से मांग लो, which was honestly very surprising to me, because मैंने कहा यार मेरी कनेक्शन तो अभी आई है, मतलब what do you mean कनेक्शन से मांग लो? It was so weird to me. But ये था कि रॉन मेरे में से या दितांशु में से आज कोई घर जाएगा, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है पूरा फ्लिप हो गया और हम गणेश को घर भेज देंगे. बट ऑनेस्टली ना, पहले जब डोम में आप जाते हो, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट, यू डोंट नो कि ट्विस्ट हो, यू डोंट नो कितने लोग निकलने वाले हैं. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कोई निकलने वाला हो एकदम मिस्चिफ आए और नहीं कोई आज नहीं निकल रहा. एनीथिंग विल हैपन. आई गेस द मिस्चिफ जस्ट टर्न्ड फुली अगेंस्ट मी, बिकॉज हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, सबके कनेक्शंस हैं. मेरा भी कनेक्शन है, पर मेरे कनेक्शन में स्प्लिट कॉइन्स नहीं है. सो एंड वही ट्विस्ट आ गया पूरा. आई फाउंड इट अ लिटिल वियर्ड, बट बेसिकली एट द पॉइंट व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड मेंशनिंग कि आपको 12,000 स्प्लिट कॉइन्स चाहिए, विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी ऑड नंबर, बट जो भी था 12,000 स्प्लिट कॉइन्स चाहिए, मेरे को समझ आ गया था आज मैं जाने वाला हूँ. बिकॉज मैंने इस तरफ देखा, मैंने कहा दितांशु कियोना से बात कर लेगा, क्योंकि कियोना को तो मैंने अभी मना किया है. दैट इज वाई आई ऑल्सो डिड नॉट अप्रोच कियोना, बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज सेइंग कि आपने कियोना से क्यों नहीं मांग लिए. That's why I didn't approach Kiona, because मेरे को समझ आ गया कियोना को मैंने अभी रिजेक्ट किया. Why would I like to get embarrassed? उसको तो सिमरन ने बोल दिया है, कुछ हो गया, उनकी लड़ाइयाँ शुरू हो गई बीच में. But I did not want to talk to Kiona at that time, because मेरे को पता था, I accepted it कि भाई आज मैं घर जाने वाला हूँ, because Simran does not have any split coins. मेरे को बीच में ये लग रहा था maybe there's going to be a twist कि Simran can borrow some split coins from somebody, like one of the girls, and then give it to me. But then I realized कि अस्मिता, निहारिका और सिमरन, इन तीनों की अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप थी. अस्मिता had 2,000, she gave them to Ron, great. Niharika had 2,000, she didn't give them to anybody, but I needed 5,000 and Simran had 0. तो अगर मैं निहारिका से भी मांगता, निहारिका दे देती अगर उसमें 5,000 होते, but उसने नहीं दिए. So I guess it doesn't really, that was it. I knew that it was going to be over from here. This is a story I posted. अब हम story पे आ रहे हैं, actual story पे. Oh, sorry, light error. Oh, again, light error. This is why I'm not a YouTuber. Anyways, अभी ये story पे आ रहे हैं, and we will see कि मैंने जो questions पूछे थे, मतलब मैंने पूछा था कि questions आप दो, तो इसके अब questions answer करते हैं. There are a lot of questions. These are all just filled with Simran. Simran. पहला question. भाई आपका connection क्यों नहीं बना? Because मेरे को fake नहीं करना था connection बनाने के लिए. That is why मेरा connection नहीं बना. Because I am not the type of person that जो भी किसी के पास भी जाए और connection बना लो, मेरे साथ game में survive करना है. देख लिया ना खुशी का हाल क्या हो रहा है, जो खुशी ऐसे कर रही है. I don't want to be that person. I would rather be out of the game instead of begging my connection to play with me. Like, that's so stupid and so embarrassing to me. I would rather just not be in the game. Why am I, जो एक love show में आप गए हो, why dating show में गए हो, why would I be like, नहीं यार, please, मेरे से करेगा ना perform, मेरे से करेगी ना perform. Why would I do that? That's embarrassing, that's stupid. I'm not the type of person to do that. Make a video with Niharika, Asmita and Ron. Guys, ये video आ रही है. ये video जब मैं वापस इंडिया आऊँगा, I don't care if they want to be in a video or not. I'm just going to stick my camera in their face. That's what I'm going to do. So ये भी video आएगी, बड़ी जल्दी आएगी. How's your reaction after Anushka got dumped? Honestly, ये मैंने अपने एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में बोल दिया था. मैंने कहा था अनुष्का एंड मोहित आर बोथ स्ट्रॉन्ग. मोहित, I don't think Mohit is mentally strong, to be very honest. I think Mohit was very physically strong, and Anushka is not physically strong, as you saw in her task. She's mentally strong, so I think it was a perfect pair. And मैंने अपने exit interview में बोला कि अब, because she flipped right on the dome session, right when Gullu wanted her votes and whatever, कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है, and Anushka would be the target. And guess what happened? As soon as I left, Anushka left. Are you watching Splitsvilla all episodes? By the way, you're my favorite contestant. Honestly, I don't. I'm not watching all episodes. I'm watching them, but I'm kind of like कि अब मेरे को सब पता है कि क्या हो रहा है and everything. So I'm not really, मेरे को सारी story already पता है, guys. So it's like, why would I watch them if I already know the story of exactly what happened? But हाँ, कई episodes होते हैं जैसे आज बिला वाला swap वाला episode आया, so maybe I'll watch that. And it's still good to see that मेरे कई तो friends हैं अंदर. But honestly, कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं इनके मैं parts से एकदम बस skip कर देता हूँ. So it is what it is. Whom do you support in the 50? Guys, अभी 50 शुरू हुआ है, and that that is something. That episode, that series is something. अभी like I just started watching it, and honestly मेरे को बहुत सारे episodes बहुत boring लग रहे थे. But अभी के लिए मतलब मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आता कि why every single reality show needs to have violence in it. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get the point of all the violence in a reality show and being violent and then bas warning mil rahi hai aapko. But honestly, I think who am I supporting? I really like Shivit. Shivit, we've talked before and everything. So I think Shivit will do. He's doing well. I think Shivit is doing well. I also like Prince. Prince Nurullah, obviously. Yeah, Prince Nurullah, though, roadies. We've seen him in every single thing. So I think hopefully he does really well. And then I think my other two people are Digvijay, obviously. Digvijay के बारे में पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ यार, he's done so well in reality shows. He has to do, hopefully he does well in the 50. And then recently I saw Bhavya, and Bhavya is Bhavya अभी वो पूरी खुली नहीं है. I think she, we remember her from Splitsvilla. I remember her from her vlogs. I think she hasn't fully opened up. So I think she will fully open up soon enough, and I think वो फटेगी. So ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि ये बंदी फट गई शो में, ये बंदा फट गया शो में. I think it's soon that she will blow up. I'm a shy and introvert person. Will I survive in splits? No. Don't go to splits if you're shy and introvert. You need to have a personality where, number one, sometimes you are ready to fake emotions. Number two, you're ready to be argumentative and you can fight. And number three, shy and introvert, honestly ना, अगर आप shy हो गए, आप introvert हो गए, तो आपको number one तो स्क्रीन टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा. नंबर टू, आपको खुद ही लगना शुरू हो जाएगा यार मैं किन लोगों के बीच में फंस गया हूँ, बिकॉज एवरीवन देयर इज फॉर कंटेंट. एवरीवन नोस कि इनको क्या करना है. एवरीवन इज देयर कि भाई हमें स्क्रीन टाइम चाहिए. सो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज रियली a space for actually being shy and introvert in a show like Splitsvilla. Who is your favorite contestant from Splitsvilla season 15? Kashish Kapoor. I've said this before. I'm gonna say it again. I think she's my favorite, and I think she's one of the most successful people out of Splitsvilla 15 as well. So I think that it's her. Why did Asmita gonna choose Gullu out of everyone in the game? Who said this? I have no idea why this is a thing. We haven't seen any of this right now in the show. I think अगर आप बात कर रहे हो कि पहले जब दिन हुआ था जब most popular man choose करना था जो भी करना था, and Asmita chose Gullu. Was it Asmita that chose Gullu? I think Asmita chose Gullu right at that time, and she didn't choose Ron. ये सारी argument हुई थी. इस argument में भी मेरे को Asmita बाद में पूछती, आरब तू बता, तू मेरा अगर connection होता, तू गुस्सा होता अगर मैं गुल्लू को choose करती तेरे को नहीं. मैंने कहा yes, yes, obviously game चल रहा है guys. मतलब कई लोग problem ये थी, कई लोग ना उस टाइम पे समझ नहीं आई थी कि कुछ भी anything at this point could actually lead to an elimination, or anything at this point could lead to getting more power or anything. So at that point, I think Asmita did what's right. Whereas she chose Gullu because Gullu was the most popular because everyone knew Gullu. But I don't think she thought of it in a game sense. Ki yaar mera connection Ron hai. But that's why she chose Gullu. There's your answer. I don't think she thought it through. Okay, there's two now. Not seen enough sensible and non-reactive and so clear-headed guys like you, Ron, Nick Hill from season 13. I'm appreciative of these comments. I guess, मैंने पहले भी बोला, I'm not the type of guy to just say random shit on TV and just try to get attention. And I think Ron is the same. And I think even Mohit is the same. There's no point of us going and blah, 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 blah. What's the point? I don't get it. So I didn't do it. That's it. That's my answer to everything. The reason I didn't do it is because I didn't think there was a point of me going blah, 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 blah. There's no point. Diva from Pasavilla, in your opinion, Niharika and Asmita. I think Niharika and Asmita are literal divas. I've said all of this stuff in my live and the little questions that I've done on Instagram. I think they are divas, and I think they will stick to being divas. And I think you will see a lot of dynamics change. You will see a lot of things change. But these are the two girls that stuck to themselves. Like, you know what I mean? इनका मतलब इनकी friendship अच्छी थी. Who's your favorite contestant from Pasavilla and Pyar Villa? Pasavilla, again, मैं था वहाँ पे, मैंने बहुत बार आंसर कर दिया. It's the same people that I, hung out with and I made the alliance with. From Pyar Villa, जो अभी तक मेरे को देख के लग रहा है, I really like Sadaf, I really like Sundarya, and I really like Tain. I think all three of these guys are no-nonsense people. Even though Sadaf का भी आया था जब उसने Suzanne को ज़्यादा बोल दिया तो चुप होने के लिए. That was a little much, but I think overall, I do like these people because they were real. They're not faking stuff, or at least it doesn't look like they're faking stuff. Because look, मेरे को लगता है अगर आप रियलिटी शो में जाओगे और अगर आप फेक भी करोगे, एटलीस्ट आप अपनी इतनी अच्छी तो अपनी एक्टिंग करके जाओ कि इससे लगे ना कि आप फेक कर रहे हो. Because a lot of times it's so easy to tell कि someone's faking something. I think these people are real. So, all right, guys, that's it. That's the video for today. This has been way too long. I thought I would get this video done in like 15 minutes, but it's been 40 minutes of recording. And now I have to go and edit this and figure out what to put in and what not to put in. And I think as the show goes on, I will do another one of these. And I want to answer questions like, because the thing is, I also can't give away any spoilers right now. So I think thoda show और mid-season तक आने दो, and then we will have a very good amount of questions that I can answer fully, and I will make sure I do that. So there will be a part 2. Make sure you guys hit subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram I'm answering these on my story continuously. So आप Instagram पे follow करो, go subscribe to my channel. Link यहीं पे होगा, and I will see you guys hopefully, when I do the next video. I'm gonna do a next Q&A. But that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.